2025 Toyota Tacoma, carryover with confidence. Hey gearheads, welcome to Future Auto Trends, and here with a look at the 2025 Toyota Tacoma. After a major redesign in 2024, expect a carryover year with some key strengths remaining. Modern design, improved interior. The 2025 Tacoma retains its fresh look and comfortable cabin. The awkward seating position of the past is gone, replaced by a user-friendly layout with improved materials. While the rear seats could offer more legroom, the extended cab remains a unique feature in the midsize segment. Powertrains for every need. A standard turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivers strong torque, a significant upgrade from the previous V6. The optional hybrid iForce Max system offers impressive power and fuel economy, making it the performance leader in the lineup. Off-road capability. The Tacoma TRD Pro and Trail Hunter cater to adventure seekers. While some limitations remain, like the inability to fit 35-inch tires without modification, these trims offer excellent capability for exploring the unbeaten path. Tech and safety. Every 2025 Tacoma comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a comprehensive suite of active safety features. The infotainment system offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with larger touchscreen options available on higher trims. Who is it for? The 2025 Tacoma is a compelling choice for those seeking a comfortable, modern mid-size truck with strong off-road capability and a variety of powertrain options. Stay tuned for further updates on the 2025 Tacoma. Next, what other cars would you like to discuss? Please comment below.